Dolls, so I'm here today to share with you all this wig by FREETRESS Equal that I've been wearing, and to make sure that I do have its name and its specs and everything else correctly about it. I'm gonna read it to you from its packaging. So I'm wearing the FREETRESS Equal 5-inch lace part wig. The style name is called Valentino. The color that I am wearing is FFCREAM. She's curl iron safe, she's flat iron safe up to 400 degrees. This is what the packaging looks like. That is the model that is on the packaging. And this is Miss Valentino. When you get her out of the packaging, this is exactly what you are going to get. Let me repeat this to you because, yeah, let me repeat this to you. When you get her out of the packaging, right, and you open up that packaging and you pull the wig out, this is what you are going to get. Let me tell you why. There is no lace to cut with Miss Valentino, honey. There is no lace to cut. I didn't have to cut no lace. I honestly didn't even manipulate this parting, like you know, like my face powder. I didn't do anything to this wig other than take her out the packaging and put her on. She does have combs, you know, 2 combs right here, a comb in the back. She does have adjustable straps. You know, I have nothing but good things to say about her. This wig have exceeded my expectations. This is what she's looking like from the front. Okay, this is her from the front. This is her from the side, Miss Valentino. This is her from the back. Keep in mind, if you do see any spacing, you know, I had her coming forward. This is Miss Valentino from the back. This is what she's looking like. Loving it. I'm loving how the colors are just blending all together. This is her from the side. And this is her from the front. Look at this. Come on now. Look at that. Gorgeous. This is absolutely, I mean, I'm looking up in the viewfinder, but oh my God. And it feels like the older she gets, the better she gonna look. So I don't know, girl, dolls, you need to get you Miss Valentino. I'm ordering her in every color, I kid you not. Oh, in the meantime, if you might be interested in the eye makeup look that I have going on in this video, I do have a video about it down in the description box below. I use the LA Colors newly released fancy palette. That's this right here. This palette right here could cost you less than 10 bucks, okay? It created the eye look that you're seeing. So if you want to see, you know, how I use the palette, whatever, it's down in the description box below. And that's it, because now I gotta get out of here, seriously. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Valentino is the answer, okay? Get yourself Miss Valentino. Get her in more than one color. Just get her, period. You're not going to be disappointed with this wig. I mean, look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. Seriously, this just concludes. Oh, and I don't get no shedding or anything like that, because since I've been doing this, I ain't getting no shedding or anything like that. I'm just too busy loving her just the way she is. For real, I done said this 10 times. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Oh, if you haven't yet subscribed to the MzGlamourAddict YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you join in on this amazing official Glam Dolls community. My name is Glam. All the official Glam Dolls in this community right here call me MGA. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking bank for a fabulous look. So that's exactly what you're going to get when you subscribe to this channel here. And also keep in mind, we still going to have to stay socially connected. I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.